Naqsh-e Jahan Square, also known as Imam Square, is indeed a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1979 as part of the historic center of Isfahan. The historic center of Isfahan includes several landmarks within the city, and Naqsh-e Jahan Square is a central component of this designation. The square, along with its surrounding buildings and structures, represents the urban planning, architecture, and cultural achievements of the Safavid dynasty during the 16th and 17th centuries. The UNESCO inscription recognizes Naqsh-e Jahan Square as a key element of Isfahan's historic center, highlighting its cultural and historical significance. The square is not only an architectural masterpiece but also a symbol of the social and cultural life of the Safavid era. The monuments surrounding the square, such as the Shah Mosque, Sheikh Lutfullah Mosque, Ali Kapu Palace, and the Grand Bazaar, contribute to the overall value of the Vank Cathedral, officially known as the Holy Savior Cathedral, is a striking architectural marvel situated in the Jalfa district of Isfahan, Iran. Vank Cathedral, officially known as the Holy Savior Cathedral, is a striking architectural marvel situated in the Jalfa district of Isfahan, Iran. This cathedral is a profound testament to the rich cultural history and religious diversity of the region. Also known as the Church of the Saintly Sisters, Vank Cathedral is a significant religious site for the Armenian Christian community and an essential component of the Armenian Vank complex. The construction of Vank Cathedral began in the early 17th century during the Safavid era. Specifically, it was built between 1606 and 1664 under the patronage of Archbishop David of Esfahan, with the purpose of serving the needs of the Armenian Christian community in Isfahan. The cathedral represents a unique fusion of Persian and Armenian architectural styles, showcasing a blend of cultural influences that characterize the region. The exterior of Vank Cathedral is characterized by its simple yet elegant design. The whitewashed walls and dome create a harmonious and serene atmosphere. The entrance of the cathedral features intricate carvings and religious motifs, providing a glimpse into the craftsmanship of the period. The exterior sets the stage for the awe-inspiring artistic treasures that await within. Once inside, visitors are greeted with a breathtaking display of frescoes, murals, and religious art that adorn the interior walls of the cathedral. The intricate artwork depicts scenes from the Bible, the life of Christ, and various saints, executed with remarkable attention to detail and vibrant colors. The frescoes cover every inch of the walls, creating an immersive experience for worshippers and visitors alike. The central dome of Vank Cathedral is a masterpiece in itself, adorned with intricate patterns and religious symbols. The play of light and shadow within the dome adds to the ethereal ambience of the cathedral's interior. The Armenian influence is evident in the design of the altar and the placement of religious icons, creating a space that is both sacred and aesthetically captivating. One of the notable features of Vank Cathedral is the wooden and gilded altar screen, known as the iconostasis. This finely crafted piece serves as a partition between the sanctuary and the nave, adorned with religious paintings and icons that hold deep significance for the Armenian Christian community. The iconostasis is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship of the artisans of the time. The cathedral also houses a unique and historically significant manuscript library. This library contains a valuable collection of Si-O-Se-Pol Bridge, also known as the Aliverdi Khan Bridge, is a mesmerizing architectural gem nestled in the heart of Isfahan, Iran. Built during the Safavid dynasty in the early 17th century, this historic bridge is a testament to the brilliance of Persian engineering and design. Spanning gracefully across the Zayandeh River, Si-O-Se-Pol is aptly named the Bridge of 33 Arches. The 295-meter-long bridge boasts 33 symmetrical arches, each measuring 5 to 6 meters in width. The evenly spaced arches create a visually striking panorama, particularly when reflected in the tranquil waters of the river below. Constructed from sturdy stone, Si-O-Se-Pol served a dual purpose during its inception. Beyond providing a practical crossing over the Zayandeh River, the bridge acted as a sophisticated dam, effectively regulating the river's water flow and preventing potential flooding. This dual functionality added to the bridge's importance in the daily life and infrastructure of Isfahan. The architectural beauty of Si-O-Se-Pol is further enhanced by its pavilions and sluice gates. These elements, interspersed along the bridge, add a touch of elegance and functionality. The pavilions were historically used for gatherings, social activities, and taking respite, contributing to the bridge's role as a social and cultural hub for the people of Isfahan. The visual appeal of Si-O-Se-Pol is not confined to daylight hours. As the sun sets, the bridge transforms into a magical spectacle, illuminated by the soft glow of street. Khel-Sotun Palace, an architectural jewel nestled in Esfahan, Iran, beckons visitors with its captivating blend of history, artistry, and natural beauty. The name Khel-Sotun, translating to 40 columns in Persian, refers to the 20 slender columns of the palace's entrance hall, cleverly mirrored in the surrounding pool to create an illusion of 40 columns. Constructed during the Safavid era in the 17th century, Khel-Sotun served as a majestic reception hall for Shah Abbas II and his court. The palace's defining feature is its grand hall, supported by 20 wooden columns and adorned with intricate frescoes and murals. These vibrant artworks narrate tales of courtly life, historical events, and epic battles, offering a visual journey into the rich tapestry of Persian history. The palace's enchanting garden, a quintessential Persian garden, complements its architectural splendor. With a central reflecting pool, manicured lawns, and vibrant flower beds. The garden provides a serene backdrop to the palace. The concept of Khel-Sotun extends beyond the physical columns, as the reflection in the pool completes the visual symmetry, creating a tranquil and harmonious environment. Khel-Sotun's historical significance is underscored by its role as a venue for significant diplomatic and political gatherings. The palace witnessed important events and treaty signings, becoming a testament to the cultural and political legacy of the Safavid dynasty. Today, Khel-Sotun welcomes visitors to explore its corridors, admire its frescoes, and stroll through its picturesque garden. Naqsh-e-Jehaan Mosque, situated on the eastern side of Naqsh-e Jahan Square in Isfahan, Iran, is a masterpiece of Safavid architecture and an embodiment of refined Persian artistry. Commissioned by Shah Abbas I in the early 17th century, this mosque stands as a testament to the aesthetic and spiritual ideals of the Safavid dynasty. Approaching Naqsh-e-Jehaan Mosque, visitors are immediately captivated by its distinctive features. The mosque lacks the traditional towering minarets and expansive courtyards typical of many mosques. Instead, it presents a more discreet entrance, setting the stage for the architectural wonders that await within. The central dome of Naqsh-e-Jehaan Mosque is its defining feature, a sublime example of Persian architecture. The dome, adorned with mesmerizing tilework, is an ever-changing canvas that captures the nuances of natural light. The intricate geometric patterns, floral motifs, and calligraphy on the tiles showcase the unparalleled craftsmanship of Safavid-era artisans. The dome's subtle transition of colors throughout the day is a testament to the delicate interplay between art and nature. Stepping into the mosque, visitors are welcomed into a serene sanctuary. The prayer hall, adorned with delicate tilework, radiates an air of intimacy. The absence of a traditional courtyard enhances the private and exclusive atmosphere, emphasizing the mosque's historical purpose. Naqsh-e-Jehaan Mosque served a unique function in Safavid society. Unlike congregational mosques, it was commissioned for the private use of the royal court, specifically for the queen and princesses. This intimate setting is reflected in the smaller scale of the mosque, creating an environment tailored for private worship and reflection. The mihrab, a niche indicating the direction of Mecca, is a focal point of beauty within the mosque. Adorned with intricate calligraphy and tilework, the mihrab exemplifies the harmonious blend of artistic expression and spiritual significance. Each element of the mosque, from the patterns on the floor to the details on the walls, reflects the deep reverence for beauty and devotion during the Safavid era. Beyond its architectural and artistic splendor, Naqsh-e-Jehaan Mosque holds an interesting acoustic feature. The central dome chamber possesses unique acoustics, creating an auditory experience where whispers at a specific spot echo distinctly, while those in other parts of the room remain unheard. This architectural quirk is believed to have been intentionally designed to amplify prayers during congregational gatherings. Surrounded by the grandeur of Naqsh-e Jahan Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Naqsh-e-Jehaan Mosque contributes to the visual harmony of the historic Jalfa carpet shop. Jalfa is a historic Armenian quarter in Isfahan, Iran, known for its unique architecture and cultural significance. If there is a carpet shop in Jalfa, it might specialize in traditional Persian carpets and rugs, which are renowned for their craftsmanship and intricate designs. Persian carpets are highly sought after for their quality, durability, and artistic value. To find information about the specific Jalfa carpet shop you are interested in, I recommend checking local directories and travel websites, or contacting local tourism offices in Isfahan for the latest and most accurate details. You may also find reviews or recommendations from travelers who have visited Isfahan and explored the Jalfa neighborhood. Keep in mind that online reviews and travel forums can be valuable resources for gaining insights into the reputation and offerings of specific shops. Additionally, reaching out to the shop directly, if possible, can provide you with up-to-date information on their products and services. Please verify this information with local sources or online platforms for the most current details, as my training data